Consistency, that's what defines successful traders. Last week, even with a sideways market, Rupee Rakshak swing trades again delivered profits, showing how research and risk management can beat noise. And this week, we have got 5 fresh setups with strong fundamentals, technical confirmations, and also research-backed validation. Let's dive in. Here is how our October 27th to 31st trades performed, all tracked transparently. TVS Electronics target hit plus 8.3% profit booked on October 27th. Subros closed positive with plus 0.4% booked partial profits. Rajratan Global minor pullback ended around plus 1% and hit stop loss later. GHCL stop loss hit at minus 2.9% controlled risk. Shree Pushkar entry not triggered. Overall, 3 winners out of 5 and small risk on 1, yet net portfolio gain stayed positive. That's what disciplined swing trading looks like. Precision over emotion. Now let's look at the new opportunities from 3rd November to 7th November 2025. 5 research verified fundamentally strong setups across sectors. Dynamatic Technologies. Entry price 7,961, target 8,500, that's a plus 6.77%. Stop loss 7,740 at minus 2.78%. Clear bounce from demand zone supported by rising volumes, a 6-7% swing potential with tight risk control. Vascon Engineers. Entry price 68, target 74, that's a plus 8.82%, stop loss 66 at minus 2.94%. It is consolidating at breakout levels, volume build-up visible, infra theme strength could push a sharp short-term move. Blackbuck Ltd. Entry price 695 rupees, target 760, that's a plus 9.35%, stop loss at 672, that is minus 3.31%. Textbook support reversal with strong RSI divergence. Logistics sector is buzzing. Momentum trade written all over it. AstraZeneca Pharma. Entry price 9,610, target 10,400, that's a plus 8.22%. And stop loss 9,375 at minus 2.45%. Higher low pattern bullish candle breakout and sectoral rotation back to pharma. A high quality defensive swing setup. Steel Authority of India, SEIL. Entry price 140, target 150, that's a plus 7.14%. Stop loss 136, that is minus 2.86%. Fresh breakout above resistance zone, above 138 with surge in volume. Strong chart, simple setup. If you are new to trading, don't go all in, pick just one stock, even one share, and track it for a week. That's how you build experience with control, not emotion. So this week's lineup is Dynamatic Tech, Vascon Engineers, Blackbuck, AstraZeneca Pharma, and SEBI. Follow these levels with discipline and you will see how steady trading beats guesswork every time. Join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp for live updates. Comment if you booked profits last week. We would love to feature our community winners. And hit subscribe because here you get real trades, real analysis and real results only with Rupee Rakshak Advisory. Protecting your wealth, powering your growth.